You guys ready? Hi guys, how you guys doing today? Yeah, I was gonna do another restaurant video for you guys at this seafood place in Katy, and you know they have like grilled oysters, grilled snail, and grilled squid and stuff like that. But you know, since it's raining, I was like, I have to wait until next week. But yeah, earlier today when I was at HK4, I went there to pick up some beef jerky, and then on my way inside, I passed by the store, and the name stood out to me. It's called Henry Nắng. So if you translate it out literally, it's Muk is squid, Mok is one, and Nắng is sun. So dry squid under one sun. And you know, like usually when you have dry squid, they dry for multiple days, I think. But this one is only under one sun, right? So only for one day. I saw a video of it, you know, somebody did this in Vietnam, and when they grilled up, oh man, it looks so delicious. So I went inside the store, you know, I was browsing around, and yeah, they have some pretty cool stuff too. They have like stone crab, they have fish, and they have dry shrimps. So I asked the owner, have you guys been here for a while? And he's like, yeah, we've been here for a while. So I was like, how come I don't know about you guys? So usually when you buy squid, it's like $4 a pound at Việt Hoa. But since it was dry under the sun for one day, that price went from $4 to $22 per 1 pound. I mean, it's huge though. You guys see this? Massive. So, you know, I was like, yeah, you know, let me try one. And since we're taking out the grill anyways, I also went to H Mart and I got some of these. They were like $6.99 per 1 pound. They have the big one, but you know, I just want to get the smaller one because you know, I don't even know if it's good or not. If you guys know the name for them, let me know. I soaked this in the water for like over an hour now with the chili pepper. So in a little bit after I'm done grilling the squid, I'm gonna throw this on there too. So yeah, if you guys are ready for some grilled dry squid under one sun, let's go. AKA Domino's. So I like this grill, but you know, every time when you're done, you have to clean up because if you leave it outside and the moisture get into it, it's going to basically disintegrate. Alright, so while we wait for the charcoal, let's make our sauce. I'm gonna make the same ginger fish sauce. You guys already know I do this already, so I'm just gonna do it really quick. First, we need to chop up some ginger. The more ginger you have, better it tastes. I get these ginger from Costco, and they are organic, product of Peru. You also have some chili pepper, and I'm gonna throw it in here, and then we're gonna grind it up. All right. This is our product. All right, for the fish sauce, 1, 2. We got 2 sugars, so we're gonna do 4 water. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mix it up. Okay. And then we're gonna add 2 fish sauce. 1, 2. But since I like to eat it kind of salty, so I add in another half. You just mix it up. I mean, this is like the 3rd or 4th time that I did this on my channel already, so you guys should be a pro at this. And then we're just gonna add in the chili pepper and ginger. So this is your final product. This is gonna be really good with the snail and the squid. All right, usually for snails, I don't usually, you know, cook it with the scallion oil, but let's give this a try and see. Might be good. I'm gonna chop this up. Ah, my finger! Just kidding, guys. Every time we eat seafood, as long as you have this, it's always gonna be good. All right, so we're gonna add some oil to it. So what I like to do is, with this, just add a little bit of fish sauce on top. And then we're gonna mix it up. And again, I already know you guys know how to do this since, you know, I did it so many times on my channel already. I'm gonna put this in the microwave. So we're gonna let it cook for like 45 seconds. So this is the end result. Smell delicious, look delicious. You can't forget about the Vietnamese coriander or ram. And back in the day, I used to eat grilled squid with this, so we're gonna try it with that. All right, folks, so here we have it. Everything is already prepared. So now we just gotta go and grill the squid. Man, I feel like I'm in Vietnam. Woo. Okay. Woo. Oh man. It smells good. It smells just like Vietnam. Guys, see that? Look at that. Yeah, even when it's raining, it's still hot, guys. That's Houston weather for you. And you know what? It doesn't smell that bad though. It doesn't even smell at all, to be honest. Let's just try a piece right here. Oh, so you get that cross between the dry squid and the freshly grilled squid. Good. Now we're gonna grill these snails. Man, I love this grill. It's like Vietnam all over again. Can't go to Vietnam? No problem. Bring Vietnam to us. Look at this one. Woo! Let me throw some of this scallion oil on there. The flies are coming, so you know it's done. Let's go. Alright guys, so which one do you guys want me to try so that you guys will hate me less? Oh man, I wish you guys were here. It smells delicious. Okay, so earlier when we were outside, you know, I couldn't wait, so I had a piece, but without the sauce and anything, and it was really good already, you know. It tastes like the cross between the dry squid and the fresh squid. It's really good. You guys know when you guys eat that dry squid, the komak, and it has that chewy texture, this one has the same thing, except it's better. Oh, I am so sorry, guys. Wow, this will be really good, you know, if you have a party, you know, you're drinking and you play poker and stuff. Now that I think about it, as I'm eating it, it reminds me when I was in Vietnam, right? A while back. And I went to Mũi Né, and there was like, it's kind of like a fishing village. Not really a fishing village, but you see a bunch of people selling seafood, right? And then, you know, you pick whatever you want, and then they'll cook it for you. They'll grill it, whatever you want. And I think this is the same thing that I had. Let me try it with the fish sauce. Let's see. Oh, man. Dipping with the fish sauce is good too. And this is why I love Houston so much. We have all the good places in Houston, all this food. Let me try one with the scallion oil. Dipping into this sauce. That was good too. Let me do this one since the snail, since it's still hot, you know. I don't know if it's gonna be good. Ooh. Let me dissect it a little bit. Dip. Alright. It's good too. It tastes very similar to you know those snail from Canada, the whelk, that's what you call it. Alright, so good thing I got the small one, because I think if we get the big one, it might be a little bit too chewy. I'm getting fish sauce out of my equipment. Look at that. $6.99, not too bad. I'll save the other 3 for my wife, since you know, you guys think I eat all this by myself and don't save my wife any. So you guys know I have the food dehydrator machines where you can dry fruit and stuff. And I was thinking about, you know, making dried squid, but man, what's the point? Because you know, I'm just gonna waste my money and it's gonna taste horrible. And this, they know what they're doing and it's good. I'm not gonna lie. I have my doubt about this place, but man, especially for $22 a pound. But wow, I am impressed. It is good, really good. Highly recommend it. I'll link all the information down below. So you guys in HK4 and you can go look for them. It's towards the back. You guys know where Fudyan is? It's right next to it. You go down a little bit further. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much if you're staying to the end. Be sure to hit the subscribe button on your way out. And I'll see you soon.